Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are diving into something truly special, Richbond, soft, sweet and coated in a layer of jam before being rolled in a shredded coconut. These little treats are a great choice for Eid or any special occasion. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, take 2 eggs and add 1 cup of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whisk well until the sugar dissolves completely. Pour in 1 cup of oil and whisk again until fully combined. Then add 3/4 cup of shredded coconut and mix until incorporated. Gradually add 300 grams of all-purpose flour, little by little as needed. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy update. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and mix until a soft and smooth dough forms. Then take small portions of the dough and roll them into small balls. Place them on a baking tray lined with the parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes or until they turn golden. In a separate small pot, add 2 cups of apricot or pineapple jam. Pour in 1 tablespoon of orange blossom water and heat the mixture on low flame. Stir continuously until the jam melts into a liquid consistency. Pour the liquid jam into a bowl and let it cool slightly. Once baked, remove them from the oven. Take a baked cookie, dip it into the warm jam, ensuring it's fully coated. Then roll the cookie in shredded coconut until completely covered. Repeat the process for all the cookies. And there you have it, your Moroccan Richbond Snowball cookies are ready to be enjoyed. Soft, sweet and bursting with coconut flavor. These little delights are perfect for Eid, family gatherings or tea time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Morokistan Kitchen for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking and see you next time.